Cool, so today we're going to do stir-fried prawns with 3 fragrant vegetables.
เอาผัด3ฉุน
Okay. So I'm just going to prep the prawns for you. So we want to use 3 nicely sized tiger prawns. Slice down the back, devein them.
Get the gas on. It's just about 2 tablespoons of oil.
Finish deveining the prawns, taking the shells and the heads off. I'm going to start stir-frying.
Yes, right. So I'm gonna put the head in first because it's the hardest part to cook.
Okay,
Yeah.
so my paste, I'm going to use 1 coriander root. Just going to chop it slightly. Pinch of salt. And then about 10 Thai garlic cloves. And about half a knob of ginger. And the paste, I'm not going to make it too fine, it's quite coarse so that when Bo stir fries it doesn't catch and burn too quickly. Super fragrant.
Yeah.
Yeah. So while you're cooking that, I'm going to prepare some of the pickled garlic and the satay beans. So I'm just going to get 4 single cloves pickled garlic and then just going to cut it into smaller pieces just so it's not as offensive or surprising when you put it in your mouth.
Right.
Okay, and then I'm going to use the satay beans. I'm going to use maybe 6, 7, 8 of these. The best way to do it is just to cut them through the middle. Do this for 2 reasons. One, it helps with the cooking, and secondly, you can make sure you don't get any worms in your stir fry.
Yeah. So that your second pungent or smell.
That's my second pungent or smell or fragrance.
Okay, deal. I think my prawn is ready for you to put the paste in.
Okay.
So you got a really nice prawn brain coming out mixing with the oil. So I'm gonna put a pinch of white pepper. Okay.
Okay, and I'm just going to bruise 1 or 2 orange chilies.
1.
1. And we'll throw that in with the paste.
Yep. If you need it, we probably need a little bit more oil. If you want to put the eggs in, just another tablespoon.
Okay. Egg in.
Egg in.
And then we've just got some vermicelli noodles here that we've soaked. So we want probably about that much. So it's probably about 1/3 of a cup, half a cup
Yeah.
of noodles. Throw them in.
When you throw the noodle in, we need some fish sauce. Just 1 tablespoon of fish sauce first.
And then also we're going to put in the stir fry our cha om or stinky weed,
Yeah.
which is our 3rd fragrance. And then Asian celery. You want the stalks as well as the leaves.
While Dylan talking about that, I put a pinch of sugar in,
Okay.
like a teaspoon. You don't want it sweet, you just want to round it up. Then I'm ready, Dylan.
Okay. So I give you my satay beans first.
Yeah.
And then my pickled garlic.
Yep.
And then I personally like lots of cha om.
Okay.
So I'm going to err more on the side of half a cup.
Half a cup.
Yeah.
I would suggest a quarter.
And then about 1/3 of a cup of the Asian celery.
Yep. And you really want to stir the noodles so it doesn't clump up together. Just a touch of
Pepper.
at the end, and this is ready to be served.
So stir-fried prawns with 3 fragrant vegetables, easy to make, smells fantastic, and let's enjoy it.